OpenArt AI and Higgsfield AI are both creative platforms, but they serve very different audiences. OpenArt is a free AI art generator focused on accessibility. It lets anyone create images, videos, and audio with simple prompts, offering community galleries and a broad range of styles. It's best for hobbyists, designers, and marketers who want quick, versatile outputs without heavy costs. Higgsfield AI, on the other hand, is built for professional creators. It specializes in cinema grade video and image generation with advanced motion control and ultra realistic models like Soul 2.0 and Kling 3.0. The pros of OpenArt are its free access, of course, ease of use, and community features, while the cons are limited realism and fewer enterprise safeguards. Higgsfield's pros are high-end realism, artistic control, and professional infrastructure, but it comes with higher compute costs and complexity. So the verdict is that choose OpenArt if you want free, accessible creativity, and Higgsfield if you need professional grade visuals for film, advertising, or advanced projects.